Hello, everybody. Hope everyone is good. My name is Brian Sawyer, and this is a video that I promised in the previous video. I actually promised to upload it as soon as possible, and this was my ASAP. Right? I was a bit busy with something, and it's actually I'm recording this video at 3 o'clock a.m. In Pretoria, South Africa, right now, and that should just show you how how much I love you guys, right? So what I'm gonna be doing today is just some very common Tsonga phrases, right? I must say that the main reason I'm doing this video right now at this at this specific time is because there's a certain lady that asked me when am I gonna do my next video, and I was just like, you know what, if I don't do it now, I don't know when I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I was just like, okay, you know what, let me go and do it now. So yeah, so I'm just gonna be teaching you guys some common Tonga phrases, right? And at the end of the video, I'm gonna challenge you guys to take 5 of them. I'm gonna teach you guys 8 or 10. I'm not sure how many they are, but after teaching you guys these phrases, I need you to dedicate to yourself, to say to yourself that you are going to um, do your best to apply 5 of the phrases that I'm going to teach you in a day, right? So I'm with this method, I think I'm going to keep more videos coming so that every single day you have like a word that you can use, a phrase rather, that you can use when you're at work, when you're at school, when you're on campus, or wherever you will be, or be it in your house, or wherever you'll be, just as long as there are Tonga people there, challenge yourself to use at least 5 phrases per day, and that should get you going. So, the first phrase that I'm going to teach you is ufamba kahle. Ufamba kahle. So I hope you guys can see from there. So ufamba kahle basically means go well. And this, you can use this one to tell when you're partying with a friend and your friend is going somewhere. You guys are going in different directions basically. So you say ufamba kahle to say go well, and you can say maybe I will see you some other time. So this is a way of saying goodbye, right? And then the second phrase rather, is umuntu wa kahle, and this basically means you are a good person. So you can use this to compliment a person and to make them feel good, right? And the third word, sorry, is usasekile, and this means you are beautiful, right? And all the phrases that I'm giving you today, it's phrases that you can use to make someone's day, right? So make sure, be intentional about using this, and actually use them when you get out of your house. Or the alternative is ushongile. So usasekile is more for complimenting a person's looks. I don't know if that makes sense. So if you want to say that you have a beautiful skin, no, that makes no sense, sorry. But yeah, it's used to compliment a person's natural looks, you know. And then ushongile is more about how a person is dressed up. So if you like how a person is dressed up on that day, you can use ushongile, but you can use them interchangeably, right? And then the next one is nzi tsakile. So nzi tsakile means I am happy, right? So if you want to say it to someone else, you say utsakile, right? Meaning that you are happy. Tsakile means happy, right? And please make sure that one thing I'd advise you to do when watching my video, you can use this to pay a compliment to someone if you like the way they dress on that day. And the good thing about them is that you can use them for any sex. It's not gender specific. You can use them for any person, right? And then the following one is I am happy. I am happy, and this is nzi tsakile, and it means that I am happy. Okay, I'm gonna go a bit faster. And then the following one is nza famba. I am going. So you can use this to begin a sentence, or you can use this as a complete sentence. Nzafamba, so this is I am going. So nzafamba, nziya Giyani, or nziya shikolweni, I'm going to school, I'm going to Giyani. Or you can just say nzafamba, I'm going. That's if the people that you're talking to know where you are supposed to go. And then the last two ones is siku ra kahle. Siku ra kahle is a beautiful day. So you can say, use this to, you can say this to the people that you stay with, to say, have a beautiful day. So you can, the full sentence or the complete sentence for that would be, have a beautiful day. Uba na siku ra kahle. This is just beautiful day. So if you want to say, have a beautiful day, you say, uba na siku ra kahle. And then the last one is, God is good all the time, right? And this is Xikwembu Xikahle, and it means that God is good. And I thought that I should end this video off by saying that God is good and Xikwembu ashibina mina. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope this video was, I know that I'm not putting as much energy as I'm supposed to, and my English is gone, but please pardon me for that. I'm gonna make videos like my battery is dying and I don't have a charger, but I'm gonna make these videos more frequently, because now I have a better phone, and they don't take that much to do, so I'll be making more and more videos as time goes. And yeah, I mean, it's useless for me to make these videos if you're not, I don't know why my phone is doing this, but it keeps on ending the videos automatically, and I don't know why that is. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. No, you guys will see me on the next video. But thank you so much for coming here, and I hope you learned something. And yeah, just don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm also on Twitter, Sawaya B. Instagram, I'm Sawaya Brian. And